Well, hello there, and a very warm welcome to, what is it today? Tuesday, the 29th of December. My name is Paul Webber. Welcome along to just a bit of an impromptu live stream. I'm going to be setting up my DJ kit today, just the audio side of it anyway. The lights will be next day or so. But I wanted to just kind of walk through how I set up my DJ stuff and have it piped through to the mixer, the Studio Live 32SC digital mixer that I've got here. If I just switch very quickly over to my Droid Cam, you'll see that I've got the DJ set up here as well. So this is the kind of controller really that controls the software inside my laptop. I'm just going to launch up Serato DJ Pro. And whilst that is loading, let's flip back to the main camera. And if you've got any comments or you've got any questions as we go along through this, then please do let me know. I've got to break off at about 11 o'clock. I've got an appointment coming here, so I might just leave you with a bit of background music and stuff like that from Epidemic Sound. So if that's the case, my apologies. So I kind of started this stream and thinking, hang on a minute, what do I do next? And so I thought I'd come on and basically show you how I'm going to set this up. So in effect, what we've got here is, as I say, we've got the Denon, which is the Denon DJ MC 6000 Mark II. This is the controller that's controlling the Denon software. It's the Serato software, I beg your pardon. So that's going to load up right now. I can't show you that on screen unless I plug it in via NDI, and I don't have the NDI connected at the moment. That might be a bit overkill, but so I might not kind of show you that on screen, as it were. All right, but you hopefully be able to hear the music once I've plugged everything in and stuff like that. So let's just take a quick look at the system. We've got Justoni here. Hello, host. YouTube. Let's fire this onto the screen. Hang on a second. I can probably do that via my phone. Let's do this. Hang on a sec. So if I do, let's go back to the main camera. And then if we go to thanks doc. I don't know what that means. Let's do that. Put that on screen. There he is. Brilliant stuff. Thank you. And I don't think that'll appear on screen. No, it just comes up as a load of letters. So, Justoni's watching from the Philippines. So, hi to you. And glad you managed to catch one of my live streams for once. Rowan's on as well. Hello, Rowan. Good morning to you. Nice to see you. Hope all is well with you. How's your new flat going? Is it good? Hopefully it is. But yeah, Justoni's watching from the Philippines, which is pretty cool. So just setting up the DJ kit for live streaming on New Year's Eve. What I'm doing is going live on Mixcloud, which is a platform I've not gone live on yet. So it's going to be a trial and error thing. I've got a friend of mine who's going to be a guest DJ on that stream as well. I'm going to bring him in through the software that I use, which is vMix, and hopefully you'll be able to play a set as well, and we've got a timetable laid out, which is going to be pretty cool. We're just going to, stream to Mixcloud, because the problem is with streaming to YouTube or Facebook, you can't play copyrighted music. So that would be pretty pointless as a DJ set if I'm kind of banging out loads of tunes and all of a sudden we get, the stream is shut down and stuff like that. So that's the whole reason for doing it on Mixcloud. I will put a link to that particular once this has kind of gone through and I'm kind of playing it back for you, what I'm going to do is put a link to the Mixcloud channel in the description. If you follow me on Facebook, you'll know that the link is already there, and it's pretty easy to follow as well. So hopefully that will be fine. Now, what I want to do is keep an eye on the door, because I know that I've got a guest arriving fairly soon that is going to be taking a look at the house. With that in mind, let me just get some background music lined up here for you on Epidemic Sound, which is the background music that I choose for live streaming. And they're very good. If you want a free 30-day trial of that, go to one of my other videos and you'll see the link to that as well. And you'll be able to click the link and get a free 30-day trial of Epidemic Sound, which is a pretty cool thing. Let's go to let's have a look here. Recommended. Let's try this. Hang on. Let's have a listen. See how that's... Ooh. Apologies if that's too loud. In my head it's really loud actually, so I'm going to turn that down. There we go. Is that still too loud? It's coming in quite hot, isn't it? Let's turn that down. How's that? That's better, isn't it? There we go. Okay. Brilliant stuff. All right. Okay, that should play through that little playlist for a while. I'm going to go back to the Droid Cam and going to get some cables and sort out the connection to the studio. 2 secs.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand.
Alright guys, so I've plugged in the audio to the back of the DJ mixer, and now I'm going to take myself off camera because I'm going to have to climb over the desk to get to the back of the proper mixing console, which is underneath the camera. So 2 seconds.
Someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, darling. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
All right, so that's got that plugged into the mixer. Now I'm going to play something on loop just so that I can... in fact, let me stop the music for a second. There we go. And let's bring that down. Let's put that over there. Okay, just make sure I catch up on all the comments, which is cool. Let's see if we can get this one on screen. Hang on. There we go. Unfortunately, it doesn't recognize the emoticons or the emojis. So, yeah, thanks for doing that, but it just doesn't show up. It comes up as letters instead. All right. Okay, so we've done that. I'm going to play one of my jingles just on loop for a few times, just so we can get an idea of which channel this is coming up through. Let me 2 seconds. Hang on. So what's this one? Repeat. No, let's play it first and see what happens. Okay, that's playing. Let me just go to there. Find out which channel it's coming up through. Can't see it yet. Let's go to main mix. Okay. That should be playing nice and loudly. Oh, hang on. Let's hope if I fade it up, right? There we go. Okay, that should be playing through one of the channels. Here we go. This is the one. I want to be able to hold that there and link it. Fingers crossed. That should. Let's go to my mix 7 and 8. You can only hear that through the headphones, can't you? So let me just go back to my main mix again. And that one. And it's coming up through channels 15 and 16. Right, so I go back to my main mix. And on 15 and 16, I'm going to bring that in and play that for you. Sorry if that's a bit loud. And there we go. So that's brought in the audio from the overhead camera, the Droid camera. Back to that one. So that's brought the audio in from this one. If I demonstrate that for you, so if I'm like that, I can cue it right up to that point there. Just only says, can you sing a song too? Absolutely not. No, definitely not singing on this channel. We get the volume right as well, so that doesn't want to be too loud coming in. Let me know how that sounds at your end. All right. I think that sounds pretty cool, to be fair. So yeah, managed to do that just in time. Let's go back to that one. And thanks very much. Catch you soon.
Love on you.